So the last step of the assembly in the manual, they suggest to lay the surface flat down, turn it upside down, and install the screw. But I actually plug in the power and raise it up from the ground so that it's pretty tall, and I put the surface on top, and I lined up the screw in the hole, and I start screwing from the bottoms up. I think it's easier that way because I'm doing it by myself. It's harder to turn this once I'm done upside down, but it's harder for me to turn it over, so I'd rather prefer doing it this way. So this will go up, go down. I haven't screwed it on yet, but just to show you that the motors work and everything's work. It's not noisy at all, it's very quiet. And that is the maximum height I think. It's really tall. It's almost like up to my neck I think. So I've done tightening all the screw to the surface and hook up the power. I use the zip tie and the provided anchor to strap all the cable neatly, so make sure nothing dangling. I think it's good to go.
Okay, so here it is. Ignore all the mess back there. I gotta get some cord wranglers, and of course Cameron's stuff is still in here, but that's the desk. This is at standing height, and then see this button, hang on, I can hardly tell. These are your up and down buttons, so I'm gonna push the button and lower it. Ooh, okay. And now it's at low height. This is sitting height. I'm gonna push it again. And standing height. Word. And then I have my elliptical underneath, and I can actually do it while I'm standing, which is awesome. And I overdid it yesterday, and my legs and my feet hurt like an asshole, but that's what you get for being a fat ass. Anyway, so it's my funky fresh standing or sitting